The poorest man isn't the one without money. It's the one who abandons his dream. Those were the words of George Bernard Shaw, and they've echoed across centuries for one simple reason. They're true. But sometimes, dreams aren't lost because we stop believing. Sometimes, we sell them, piece by piece, to survive. Stay till the end. This one might just remind you of something you thought you'd forgotten. This is the story of a boy named Emeka, born in a small, busy town filled with the noise of motorcycles, markets, and unfinished hopes. He loved to draw. Walls, papers, even sand. His sketches carried dreams of color and meaning far beyond his tiny world. But poverty has a way of stealing time, and when his father fell ill, the boy who dreamed of painting the world began painting signboards for shops, just to buy food. He told himself it was temporary, that one day he'd return to art. But days became years, and dreams became debts. One afternoon, while painting a billboard under the burning sun, a stranger approached, a woman with an elegant voice and a designer scarf. She admired his work and asked, "Do you still love what you do, or do you just do what you must?" Her words hit harder than the sun. Emeka smiled faintly. "I stopped asking myself that a long time ago." Before leaving, she dropped her card, Art Gallery Curator. That night, Emeka stared at that card as if it were a mirror, showing everything he'd buried. For days, he couldn't sleep. He painted by streetlight, not for money, but for the first time in years, for himself. Each stroke felt like breathing again, each color a confession. But doubt crept in. What if it was too late? What if the world no longer cared for his kind of art? Still, he finished one last painting, a child reaching toward the sun, and left it quietly at the gallery doorstep, unsigned. Weeks passed. He forgot about it. Life moved on. Then, one morning, walking past the gallery, he froze. His painting hung by the window. Below it, a small note read, "Anonymous submission, a masterpiece of quiet courage." He didn't go in. He just stood there, tears mixing with dust, realizing something profound. Dreams don't die when life gets hard. They die when we stop feeding them. And sometimes, reviving a dream isn't about success. It's about remembering who you were before the world told you to survive. Don't trade your purpose for comfort. Even when no one's watching, keep building what makes your soul come alive. Still not famous, the infamous tales, real stories of purpose, perseverance, and soulful rebirth. Please like, comment, subscribe, or follow for more.